Good afternoon, YouTubers. Daniel again for this fourth video for April 25th, 2023. Right now it's about 6:20 at night, or maybe afternoon. It's still kind of damn sunny out there, and I'll show you what they're doing. Well, I can't go over there today until they leave. I don't want to get myself caught in the crossfire. Waiting for these cars to get through here. You on camera? And now we're gonna go videotaped. See what they're doing. It's been 4 months they've been doing this series. I've been taping this. Yep. See what they're doing? Yeah. They're doing like that little construction over here. Yeah. Sorry about that. Look at that for my audience. Yeah. And they packed everything in there. And look at that. Give like a little close up of what they're doing. Still looks kind of dark out there. They're shutting the door a little bit. We'll be out here in a few seconds. This is a little behind the scenes what they're doing. They're gonna put some gold carts on it soon. At the end of the Soapbox Derby, if we ever gonna make it to like May 20th, or even May 13th. Give like a little close up right now. We haven't done this series like this in a little long time. Yep. Old man passing. Yep. How you doing? Now they doing it. Yep. I'm gonna put this all on YouTube. See what they're doing? Yep. I wish I get the hell out of here. I can walk over there. I like doing this as part of the series. Hopefully, when this is over, I don't have to worry about doing this series anymore. Damn this thing. And right now it's about like 54 degrees out there. Yep. See over there? It's getting kind of dark out there. Look at all the tiles that gets took out or something. Bulldozer. The picture quality looks kind of dark. The beeper. Wait for this car to leave. let's get out of here. Well, there you have it, folks. That's your little update video for this the garage over there on Laurel. We've been doing this for about 4 months of the construction series. So I hope you enjoyed this fourth video just for today. Hopefully I'll give you more updates about it later. And enjoy these other previous videos of the series or this new video that I just made just now. In the meantime, your cameraman, Dan Drusky, saying thanks for sticking around. I'll see you again next time for more updates. See you later and chill. Bye.